Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of January 15th, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. This Monday, January 18th, there is no school in honor of Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Enjoy the 3-day weekend. January 19th to 27th are the midterm exams at the secondary school. Celebrate Literacy Week is January 25th to 29th at the elementary school. Lots of fun events are planned. On Monday, January 25th, students should wear a hat for Hats Off for Reading. Tuesday will be Sports Jersey Day to tackle a good book. Wednesday is Wear a Superhero Shirt because words give you power. Thursday is Throwback Thursday. Teachers will share a favorite childhood book. Friday is Favorite Book Friday. Students should bring in their favorite book to share with their friends. There will also be a door decorating contest, and we will have Drop Everything and Read every day that week. Re-enrollment packets are due on Friday, January 29th. Charter school students must fill out a new re-enrollment packet every single year. After January 29th, we have to open up enrollment to new students, and you may have to be entered into a lottery to attend the school next year. So please make sure you get those packets back to school right away. In-person students took them home last week. Virtual students must pick one up at school or print it out, and you can email it back to me. Please contact me if you need another packet at scooper@pbmalantana.org. Monday, February 1st is a teacher workday. No school for students. Please make sure you have completed free and reduced lunch form for your students if you have not already done so. This year, every student was automatically accepted. However, next year will be different. In order to qualify for next school year, forms must be completed by February 12th. In addition to free or low-priced meals, students can now qualify for additional assistance, including tutoring programs, eyeglasses, free SAT testing, summer camps, college application fees, and even scholarships. PBMA receives funding based upon these forms for additional staff and materials, so please complete it even if you think your family does not qualify. The link to the form can be found on our website under the Parents tab, to Forms and Links to Food Services. Mr. Barone, our transportation manager, issued a new rule on buses. No skateboards are allowed. They were creating a safety hazard. Thank you for your cooperation. The high school had a virtual career day. Here's some video of the virtual event.
Hey guys, my name is Rowe Tyson, and I'm going to chat with you guys a little bit about what it means to be an entrepreneur. And what that means to me is when you have an idea or when you see an opportunity and you just can't help but do it. The reason that I would say that I'm an entrepreneur is because I see opportunities that haven't been fixed yet or haven't been an opportunity yet, and I can't help but go after that dream. Now, it's exhausting, and I'll get into that in my notes of what it means to be an entrepreneur, but it's something that you just can't help but do.
Hey guys, Brendan Ohearn here, CEO and co-founder of Ronnie Coleman Signature Series, a global sports nutrition company, and Ronnie Coleman Signature Series. So with the bootstrap mentality, we started the business out of my actual garage. And quickly within a year, we moved to an office, and then within 3 more months, another office, and then 3 more months, another office. And then finally, we're in a 40,000 foot facility. We're selling products over 120 different countries. A big part of our success, and really any business's success, is the ability to adapt and change, right? So the world is constantly changing, your customers are changing, all these different ways to reach them are changing. You have all this stuff that's constantly changing. And it's really important that you also move with that change, that you bob and weave through certain problems, you take advantage of opportunities that come up. For us, one of our greatest opportunities was international business. International business, my partner's name is huge. He's a legend, he's an icon, he's like a movie star. When he goes to Australia, there's Brad Pitt and then there's Ronnie Coleman. And so we focused on international business and really tried to sell our products overseas. And by doing so, we grabbed what's called the low-hanging fruit. And what's low-hanging fruit? It's basically the easiest sale that you can get. It's something that you can just reach right here, grab it, and put it in your pocket. What I love the most.
Unfortunately, we're still in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic. Due to increasing cases of the virus in Palm Beach County, we'd like to remind everyone regarding the importance of timely communication with the school. If anyone in your family or household is suspected of, has COVID-19, or has been exposed to someone who has COVID-19, it is extremely important that you notify the school nurse. Or you can send me an email and I'll notify the school nurse. When anyone has a COVID-19 test done, you must self-isolate until a negative test result is obtained or until the advised date. Do not send your child to school if you are awaiting test results. Please contact the school nurse when you or your child are required to take a COVID-19 test. This is extremely important so that PBMA can take the required safety precautions to maintain a safe and healthy environment for everyone who attends and works at PBMA. Thank you. We had a virtual stakeholders meeting on Thursday. We are grateful to parents who gave their input. We will have additional meetings soon. And finally, here are the Sharks of the Week. Please remember to like and follow us on Facebook to stay informed of important information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.